No, he's not small. Alright y'all, let's have a go at taking the disconnector out of this Buckmark. If you notice, I did put a high-vis sight. I decided to go with the high-vis sight because I could buy just the high-vis front sight. I didn't have to get the front and the back, and it was a lot cheaper. Always have a lot of apprehension when I start these projects, and if you've watched my videos, you know why. Nothing ever seems to go according to plan, but I'm hoping that this will be relatively easy. Alright, step one, take the screw out of the handle. Now I'm hoping that this just lifts up. And it does. This is the piece that I want to take out of there. In order to get it out, it looks like I'm going to have to take this. This is kind of a spring for your safety. It goes from here and it's anchored down in here somewhere. Let's see. I don't like to get in these things too deep because you end up with so many parts. I didn't have to. What did I do? Okay, that's cool. So far, it's okay. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to get into all of it. This is a little spring. I'm gonna get this end up out of there like that. Now I want to try and put all this stuff back where it goes. I'm gonna pull the tension back on this spring. I'm going to set this back on that little pin it came off of. There. That's hooked to the trigger. Oops. Come on. There. Thank you. Where'd that other part go? There. That just lays in there. Huh? It just came out. There it is, y'all. Did you see what I did? This is what they call the disconnector. I just lifted it up. It's hooked to the trigger. Put it back. This is a spring, actually, for the safety, and this right here, or magazine release, I'm sorry, and this right here is a spring that keeps the tension on this. Now all I have to do is put the grip back on. In the other video, I just reached up in there with a pair of pliers and started grabbing and twisting, which is probably where I ran into some problems. Now let's put the grip back on. All right, now let's test it. There is no magazine in here. It was unloaded. I should be able to squeeze off around, and I can. Very good. And we'll check everything else to make sure it's working. Very good. That's it. Got the high-vis sight there. No disconnect. I don't advise you to do it. I'm not telling you to do it. But that's how you do it if you want to do it. I like taking them out on all my 22s if it's possible. But that's how you remove the disconnect from a Buckmark. And as always, I appreciate y'all watching. Catch you later. Bye.